Welcome to Study Loop.
Good day. The topic is about density. We express density as the ratio of mass of the substance and its volume. So consider we have a sample of ethanol which mass is given to be 45.23 grams and the density is equal to 0.789. We wish to find the diameter of the tube. So you can imagine this certain amount or sample of ethanol is placed in a cylindrical tube, and we wish to find in this case the diameter of that tube that contains the said amount of ethanol sample. The said mass or amount. So we will start by solving the volume of the ethanol in the tube. So we recall that density is equal to mass over volume. Rearranging that equation to solve for volume gives volume equals mass over the density. So we are given again with the mass as 45.23, the density as 0.789. We solve for the density as for 57.33 ml. Now 1 ml is the same as 1 cubic centimeter, so we see this is also 57.33 cubic centimeters. Now the tube is assumed to be cylindrical, so we solve for the volume using this volume of a cylinder, which is pi over 4 times the diameter square times the height. In this case, the sample uh, completely fills up the height of the cylindrical tube, which is 25 centimeters. So we have the height to be 25 centimeters. Of course, V here stands for the volume, which is 57.33 cubic centimeters, and the diameter, which we wish to find, is your D here. So solving for D gives us 57.33 pi over 4 D squared times 25.0. So we will isolate D squared first here. So we will divide both sides by pi over 4 times 25. So that gives us 57.33 over pi over 4 times 25. Or this is going to give us 2.92. And we just have to take the square root to solve for D. So that gives us 1.71. So this is the diameter of the tube that contains the said mass of ethanol. I hope this helps.